Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make a responsive navigation bar inside of Webflow. Okay, now what do we mean by responsive is that it's actually going to collapse once we are in a certain device, for example, as a mobile phone or tablet or things like that. Okay, so it's not actually going to show us like the full thing, but a collab version that is going to look better for mobile phones. Okay, and this is what I'm going to show you. So you want to go to your, website, and you want to select the part where you want to add your navbar, which in your case is usually going to be like the top, but in my case it's fill. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the, very bottom, which is empty, and I'm going to select this plus icon here inside of my section. Okay, and from here you have to look for nav. Okay, which is your navbar here, and you can just select it or drag it. Okay, and this is what's going to be created here. Okay, and you can customize your different options in here. Okay, you can put whatever you want here. Instead of home, it can be like website or whatever else. Okay, and from here you can also add your logo. Okay, by dragging an image into here. All right. And what I wanted to show you is actually how you can make this more responsive. Okay, so let's actually go to our navbar here, which is, where is it? Okay, here, right? Okay, and let's go to settings in here. Okay, let's scroll this down here, and you basically have to go to this menu icon 4, and you have to select what devices you want this menu to collapse for. Okay, so as you can see here, this is currently selected for tablet and below, which means that when I access these websites through a tablet or through a phone or through things like that, for example, okay, this menu is not going to show like this, but it's going to show collapse. Okay, so you can select this, for example, to be on tablets or below, or on phones or below, or on phones or below, but in vertical. Okay, so this is up to you completely. For example, if you show this option, or if you select this option, which is always appear, this is always going to look collapsed. Okay, even in your desktop. Okay, let's actually see how this is going to look with a preview. Okay, so let's click on preview here, and if I click on this menu here, this is gonna expand, and if I click in, it's gonna collapse. Okay, so this is how you can make your menu or your navbar responsive to any device you want. Okay, by sliding into that selector there. Okay, thank you so much.